Hey guys, I'm Niti from the channel Passionate, and today I'm going to post a video on YouTube about types of sneezers. So let's get started with the loud one sneezer. Excuse me. The second type of sneezer is the rapid fire. So much cold, my god. The third type of sneezer is the dramatic one. Why did I sneeze? What was that? So dramatic, yeah. Whatever. The fourth type of sneezer is the silent one. Excuse me. The fifth type of sneezer is the fake one. Mama, I'm getting cold. I can't bring anything from the market. Sorry. See. Chee. Achee. Chee. Sorry, Mama. I can't bring anything. I should rest and you are saying me to go outside. No. You're saying that nothing is happening. So cold outside. मैं आज गई थी मम्मा बाहर. हाँ, very cold. Sorry, I can't go. So guys, these were the types of sneezers we all know. If you know any other type of sneezers, so let me know in the comment section below. And like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you all must like and subscribe and comment below this video and to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.